I don't want to take your time live making the assembly, but we will show you, we will do a video with the assembly process just for you to check out how easy it is to do. What we want to show with this small video is not just how to take this one out. There is a possibility to take it out a bit more easier inside the sim. So you can take the plate of the Sidestick box off without getting everything out from the cockpit, but there are two reasons I want to do like that. First of all, to show you how easy it is to disassemble the seat, disassemble the box itself. In a way it's easier to do it here, because there you have a very small place. It is much prone to possibility of injuring yourself, and it takes a short time, so it doesn't really have importance doing it there, but can be done in the cockpit as well, so you don't have to get everything out from the cockpit like this. But this is the normal procedure, and let's do it like that. Okay, so put it back.
Okay. And now the screws for this. So it is very important in the assembly process to tie the screws piece by piece. Okay. Okay, so I will start with this one, then we have this one, then go to this one. Okay, this is in. The next step, you just have to do everything. Now, it was during the assembly. Can you please just hold this one for me? Okay. And I will put that. As I told you, everything is keyed, so you cannot put it backwards or in wrong place, wrong position. Okay, so now all the cables are connected. Yeah. Okay, so this is all. Okay, I can put it back. Alright. Put back this one. Okay, so you can tie those up as well. Okay, maybe you can put this one back until I finish. And 3 more. So there is one position you can put the tiller back, so you don't have to be concerned about if it's right or not, because you have only one possibility. Okay, and that screw has to be tied only for. Okay. Okay, then we can put back this one. Just okay. and you have a completed side box. Could you please put it back? Okay, so to put back, there is one trick. I will connect back this. You just put it here, and I will just connect back this cable. Yeah, there. Okay, and to leave it through here. So what is important first? To put the box inside this part, okay? And then actually this is the trickiest part of all. Yeah, it's in place. That's all. Then I will ask Patty put those screws back. Maybe one thing to check here is to have the cable out. You have a window there. You can look inside if the cable is in a good place. You know where you have it. Just push the cable a bit. Okay. Yeah. It's great like that. You don't have to to fasten it too much, because that is just the screw not to keep the box not sliding out. So this is, I will do the easy. Okay, so this is absolutely connected, and now we put back the seat. Same procedure. Lift weight. This is the only heavy. Okay. It is actually the original piece of hardware, and it has a key, and this is the key, and it's in. Okay, now I put the cable back where it belongs, and I will do that side, because we have to put the seat just tell me when you are there. And it should be okay. So, yeah, okay. It's back. Now we get the nose washers and okay, and until Patty is going to put back the screws, I will connect back what's left from the cockpit. So first, captain side headset, QRH and documentation. Just actually, because everything is connected right now, we could start the sim, but it is not really a good idea, because when the sim is starting up, as you already seen on the video with the Simnest control unit, it calibrates the pedals, it calibrates all the mechanical stuff. So it can cause harm. It's not that it has no real force on it, but if your hand is there, it can may cause injuries. So this is why you should wait with the booting up the sim. I'm going to connect back the cables of the side box until that it finishes here. All these procedures are written in the manuals and what kind of tools you have to use. Actually, there are photos of the keys and tools you have to use, so everything is in the documentation. How many people is required for one of the procedures, so you can see everything there. Okay, now I put that documentation into inches. Yes, hand mic connected, and I will put the EFD back to its place. Okay, so EFB is ready. It seems that Patty is ready, so we can start up the machine. I will use the instructor pin code to do that, and we can switch this off. We don't need it anymore. Okay. So when the seat is back, we will try it in a moment if it works. Yeah, so seat is operating. This one is okay. And from this point the simulator should be flyable. Just stay tuned. Sim will boot up, and then we will make just a short test flight from the left seat to see that everything works as it should work. Okay, so it seems that the simulator is right now booted up. What we do, we have a situation saved for us just for this test, and we can flaps 1, master 1, master 2, IRS 1 and 2 and 3 to nav, so parking brake and transponder to OK. And this will put us on Niza runway 04 left, I suppose. Yes. And here we are. So what is important to check from the left side, what we have disassembled, is the Sidestick itself. You can see that it is centered, so it is centered, so we don't have any problem with the. Okay, here it is. It is working. That should be okay. We will try the tiller. We will try the buttons.
Priority left.
Okay, so that is working as well. We can try the mic. Okay, just put it a bit more. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Just a moment. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay. One, two, three, 1 2 3. Okay. So this one works. Are you ready? Let's make a flight. Okay.
Okay.
Just a short flight. Can you let Richie there and film us? No, he to sit here and you to film us. Or anyway, it's just
Two pilots in the seat.
Just a few. Okay, so this will be just a short circuit around Niza, so it's just an easy thing. Okay, we do the set height. Okay, up to brake maximum and take off. Test. Okay, this one 10 and dark, 10 and dark. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, go, you fly. I will set the parking brake for you. Try to keep the center. 100. One. And rotate. 17.5 degrees. Just rotate more, 17.5. Yeah, that is okay. Now, positive climb. Put the gear up. Select heading. And, well, I will just, if you let me to handle a bit and to show that that it seems that the flight controls are absolutely working like they should. Okay, so after a full assembly, disassembly, everything is working fine. Flight director is off. This is just a fun flight, so please don't look at our procedures right now because okay, speed auto thrust. So as you can see, everything works fine. Okay, so this is all for today's video, and I hope you like it. Next video will be about authorization and the whole qualification test guide and those procedures that need for a sim to be authorized by an EASA or an FAA authority. So thanks for watching. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.